Oke, saya ulangi.
2.1 Countries: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, England, Egypt, France, Italy, Japan, Spain, Russia, Turkey. 2.2 The US. Where are you from?
Oke, nanti saya putarkan lagi, silahkan ditirukan. Perhatikan stresnya ya. Misalnya China itu China, suku kata pertama yang ditekan. Tapi kalau Japan itu yang kedua, Japan. Nah, gitu ya. Silahkan ditirukan, usahakan semirip mungkin dengan yang kita dengar. Oke, saya ulangi lagi.
1.12 Pronunciation. 1.8 1.7 1.7 1.2 What's your name?
Hello, I'm Serena. What's your name?
My name's Tom.
1.10 Numbers 1 to 10. 1 2 3.3 What's his job? 2.7 Questions and answers.
Hello,
2.1 Countries: Argentina, Australia. 2.1
Tirukan ya.
Countries: Argentina,
Argentina,
Australia,
Australia, Brazil,
Canada,
Canada,
China, England, Egypt, France, Italy, Japan, Spain, Russia, Turkey. 2.2 The US.
US.
The US.
Ya, yang kita sering salah itu kita menyebut Inggris itu England, padahal kan England. Bahasa Inggris itu kita sering sebutnya English, padahal yang betul English. E itu biasanya sering kali kalau E itu bacanya malah I, dibaca I. Tapi kalau I itu biasanya dibaca I. Seringkali dibaca E. Nah, ini. Jadi kayak balik-balik. Misalnya ini ya. Ini bacanya bukan itis tapi kan etis. E, bacanya kan E, etis. Tapi kalau ini malah dibaca hi, ya kan? Tulisannya E, bacanya I, hi. Kalau etis tulisannya I dibaca E. Aneh ya bahasa Inggris itu wong E dibaca I. Kalau ini apa bacanya? Ini apa bacanya? Kalau ini kan A ya. Bahasa Inggris itu aneh ya. Baca E. Ya, di bahasa lain selain bahasa Inggris, bahasa Jerman, bahasa Belanda, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Itali itu kayak gini tuh bacanya A. Kecuali bahasa Inggris baca E. Berarti orang Inggris itu goblok ya. Nah, baca E. Ya nggak apa-apa, tetap harus kita pelajari bahasanya karena penting. Ya, oke, kembali ke yang tadi. Mana tadi? Oke, sekali lagi ditirukan ya.
Baik, Pak.
2.1 Countries. Argentina,
Argentina.
Australia,
Australia.
Brazil,
Brazil.
Brazil.
Canada,
Canada.
Canada.
China,
China.
China.
England,
England.
Egypt,
Egypt.
Egypt.
France,
France.
France.
Italy,
Italy.
Japan,
Japan.
Spain,
Spain.
Russia,
Russia.
Turkey,
Turkey.
Turkey.
the US,
US.
Oke, good. Go on to the next part. Sekarang grammar he, she, his, her. Read and listen. Saya putarkan lagi. Silahkan ditirukan ya. Sorry, nggak usah ditirukan. Read and listen aja.
.2 Where are you from?
Hello, I'm Antonio. What's your name?
My name's Nua.
Where are you from, Nua?
I'm from China. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy, from Milan.
His name's Antonio. He's from Italy. Her name's Nua. She's from China.
Ya, saya nggak usah jelaskan, semua udah paham kalau he itu cowok, kalau she cewek. His itu posesif untuk cowok, her untuk posesif untuk ceweknya. Sudah paham semuanya ya. Jadi di sini kita belajar where are you from? Seperti ini yang dibilang Noah, I'm from China. Where are you from? Yang kemarin sudah kita bahas, ini question, pertanyaan yang diawali dengan kata tanya atau WH question. Nada belakangnya turun. Where are you from? Bukan where are you from? Bukan gitu, tapi where are you from? Kalau nanti where are you from, Noah? I'm from China. Where are you from? Oke, saya ulangi sekali lagi.
.3
His name's Antonio. He's from Italy. Her name's Nua. She's
2.1 Countries. Argentina. 2.2 Where are you from?
Hello, I'm Antonio. What's your name?
My name's Nua.
Where are you from, Nua?
I'm from China. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy, from Milan.
His name's Antonio. He's from Italy. Her name's Nua. She's from China.
Ya, oke, good. Grammar spot. His itu kependekan dari he is, she's kependekan dari she is. Terus put the pronouns in the correct box. Coba kita kerjakan, ini masih gampang. Put the pronouns in the correct box. Nomor 2 ini ya, yang grammar spot nomor 2. Yang pertama, he, di mana ini?
Laki-laki.
Oh, ya. Terus she
Si perempuan.
is
His laki-laki.
Laki.
Possessive.
Ya.
Her
Perempuan.
Perempuan.
Possessive perempuan.
Ya, sebentar. Oh ini. Jadi harusnya gini. Yang ini sama kok ini cewek ya. She. Terus yang ini he. She. Ini. Kok semua cowok? Ini yang saya tulis ini saya. Saya tulis di Oke, next, listen again and repeat. Where are you from? Yang ini sekarang 2.2. I'm from Spain. I'm from. Coba saya yang tanya, kalian yang jawab ya. Bentar. Saya akan tanya, kalian yang jawab.
Baik, Mister.
Afiatul, where are you from?
I'm from pakai daerahnya sendiri ya.
Iya.
Nah, kalau from Indonesia saya tahu semua ya from Indonesia. Tapi kan
I'm from Madura, Sumenep.
Oke, good. Maksud saya gini, kalau kita ketemu orang bule gitu kan, kita tanya where are you from? Mereka kan jawab nama negara, ada yang I'm from Italy gitu. Tapi kalau sesama orang Indonesia ditanya where are you from? Jawabnya ya I'm from Solo atau I'm from Kalimantan Tengah, Central Borneo, kayak gitu-gitu ya. Ya saya tahu kalian semua orang Indonesia, ya nggak usah bilang I'm from Indonesia, sudah tahu. Maksudnya itu Madura, good. Sekarang Afiatul tanya Gita. Afiatul.
Where are you from, Dita?
from Ngawi.
Kita ke Ayu.
Where are you from, Ayu? I'm from Palembang.
Ayu ke Arnold.
Where are you from, Arnold?
I'm from Kupang, East Nusa Tenggara.
Oke, good. Arnold ke Noni.
Where are you from, Noni?
I'm from Lamongan.
Good. Noni ke Nurdin.
Where are you from, Nurdin?
I'm from Ternate, North Molucas.
North Molucas, Maluku Utara. Nurdin ke Erwinda.
Where are you from, Berwinda?
I'm from Banyuwangi, East Java.
Oke, good. Erwinda ke Umi.
Where are you from, Umi? I'm from Semarang.
Good. Umi ke Sulis.
Where are you from, Sulis?
I'm from Palu, Central Sulawesi.
Good. Sulis ke Febrianti.
Where are you from, Febri?
I'm from NTT.
What does NTT stand for?
Atambua, Pak.
No. NTT, what does NTT stand for? Kalau orang berbahasa Inggris, kamu bilang NTT, mungkin mereka nggak tahu. Kalau orang Indonesia ya tahu semua. What does NTT stand for? NTT itu singkatannya apa?
Nusa Tenggara.
Pak, NTT kok Nusa Tenggara? Diulangi.
Nusa Tenggara Timur.
Tenggara Timur.
Kamu orang NTT masa nggak tahu singkatannya NTT? Nah, kan ada NTT, ada NTB, ya beda NTT sama NTB. Febri, ayo, what does NTT stand for? Dijawab.
East Nusa Tenggara.
Ya, good. No, Nusa Tenggara Timur, or we call it East Nusa Tenggara in English. East Nusa Tenggara. Diulangi, tulis ke Febri.
Where are you from, Febri?
I'm from East Nusa Tenggara.
Okay, good. Febri ke Neni.
Where are you from, Neni?
I'm from Gresik, East Java.
Good. Neni ke Badriatul.
Where are you from, Badriatul?
Badria.
Badria.
Masih unmute Badria, belum kedengaran suaranya.
I'm from Blitar.
Good. Badria ke Darius.
Where are you from, Darius?
I'm from Manokwari, West Papua.
Good. Handi, do you hear me? Handi. Ya, Darius ke Handi.
Darius ke Handi.
Oh, where are you from, Handi?
I'm from Temanggung, Central Java.
Handi ke Anastasia, ke Ira.
Where are you from, Anastasia?
I'm from Ruteng.
Where is Ruteng?
Ruteng is a small city in East Nusa Tenggara Timur.
East Nusa Tenggara Timur. East itu udah timur.
I'm sorry.
Timur.
In East Nusa Tenggara Province.
Tenggara. So it's better for you to say I'm from East Nusa Tenggara. East Nusa Tenggara. Oke. Ira ke Mai.
Mai. Hello, Mai. Where are you from?
I'm from Ngawi, East Java.
Ira diulangi. Where are you from? Bukan where are you from, bukan gitu tapi.
Where are you from?
Oke, good. Mai, dijawab.
I'm from Ngawi, East Java.
Mai ke Yuvina.
Where are you from, Yuvina?
I'm from Surabaya, East Java.
Yuvina nanya saya.
Where are you from, Mister?
I'm from Jogja.
Oh, thank you.
Oke, good. Kita lanjutkan tadi. Saya share screen lagi. Next, where's she from? Her name's Julie. She's from England. Ini apa belajar map ya? Belajar map. Complete the sentences about the people. Ini masih gampang, ini bareng-bareng aja. Oh, sebentar. Kita bahas dulu nama negaranya ya. Her name's Nadia. She's from mana ini?
Italy.
Italy ya. Kalau ini number 3 negara.
Russia.
Oh ya, Russia. Next, number 4.
Canada.
Ya.
Canada.
5.
Brazil.
Number 6.
Egypt.
Oh, yeah. Yang ditekan I-nya jadi
Egypt.
Kalau yang ditekan Egypt-nya jadi Egypt. Next, number 7.
China.
Number 8.
Australia.
Oke, sekarang
Australia.
complete the sentences starting from number 3 bersama-sama. Number 3, complete the sentences.
Number 3.
My name's Anton.
My name's Anton.
His name.
Name's
Anton.
His name Anton.
He's from Russia.
Russia.
From Russia.
Next, number 4.
His name is Gil. Joe.
Jeff.
From Canada. He's from Canada.
He's from Canada. Ini nama-namanya mungkin kita salah nyebutnya ya, kan tidak semuanya dari Inggris, tidak semuanya. Jadi kalau Paula itu kan nama-nama umum atau ini Len apa Lan? Yang nomor 7 ini? Lan ya kayaknya ya. Nah ini Lan. Tapi kayak gini-gini ya, kalau misalnya kita salah menyebutnya itu dimaklumi karena nama itu kan tidak biasa ya, apalagi nama dari negara lain. Kalau nama-nama orang Amerika, orang Inggris mungkin kita sudah biasa. Tapi kalau yang dari Cina kita biasa ya. Dari Brasil, lain mungkin tidak biasa. Jadi kalau menyebut nama itu salah nggak apa-apa. Oke, next number 5. Dilengkapi kalimatnya.
Her
name's Paula. She's from Brazil.
Yeah, she's from Brazil. Next, number 6.
His name is Amon. He's from
Egypt.
Bukan Egypt, tapi Egypt. Tadi saya bilang kalau E itu seringkali dibaca I. Nah, ini juga. Nah, malah bacanya bukan Egypt, tapi Egypt. Ya. Next, number 7.
Her name is Fan. She's from
China.
China.
Number 8.
Her name's Oliver.
Oh, ini.
Laki-laki perempuan.
His name's Oliver. He's from Australia.
Australia ya, Australia. He's from Australia. Oke, kita cek tadi. Listen and check.
2.4. Where's she from? 1. Her name's Julie. She's from England. 2.
Her name's Nadia. She's from Italy.
3. His name's Anton. He's from Russia. 4.
His name's Jeff. He's from Canada.
5. Her name's Paula. She's from Brazil. 6.
His name's Armun. He's from Egypt.
7. Her name's Lang. She's from China. 8.
His name's Oliver. He's from Australia. What's his name?
2.3.
Bentar, sekarang ditirukan ya.
His name's Antonio. He's from Italy. Her name's Nua. She's
2.3.
His name's Antonio.
.2. Where are you from? .3.
His name's Antonio.
2.4. Where's she from?
Oke, ditirukan
1.
ya.
Her name's Julie. She's from England.
Her name's Julie. She's from England. Ya, ayo titipkan.
Her name's
Her
Julie.
name's
She's from
Julie.
England.
She's from England.
Okay, next.
England.
2.
Her name's Nadia. She's from Italy.
Her name's
Her name's Nadia. She's
from
from
Italy.
Italy.
bukan Italy, bukan itu tapi Italy.
Italy.
Next.
3. His name's Anton. He's from Russia.
His name.
His name's
Anton.
He's from
Russia.
Russia.
4.
His name's Jeff. He's from Canada.
His name's
Jack.
He's from
Canada.
5. Her name's Paula. She's from Brazil.
her name's
Her name's
Paula.
Brazil.
She's from Brazil.
Brazil.
next.
6.
His name's Armun. He's from Egypt.
His name's
He's from Egypt.
From Egypt.
7. Her name's Lang. She's from China.
her name's Lan.
Her name's
Her
Lan.
name's Lan.
From China.
8.
His name's Oliver. He's from Australia.
His name.
Name Oliver.
He's
From
from
Australia.
Oke, next bawahnya listen and repeat the questions. Sekarang pertanyaan-pertanyaannya dituduhkan, usahakan semirip mungkin. 2.5 sekarang saya lanjutkan.
What's his name?
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 Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Iya, hampir
Where's
sama
he
kayak
from?
si. Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where is he from? Where is he from?
Karena where-nya
Where is he
belakang
from?
ada S-nya, jadi he-nya jadi kayak she. Where's
Where
he
is
from? Kayak
Where's
she.
Where's he from?
Ya.
Where is he from?
What's her
Where
name?
is he from?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Her name.
Bukan her name.
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Where's she from?
What's her name?
Where's she from?
Where's he from?
Where is he from? Where is he
Where's
from?
he from?
Where's she from?
.4. Where's she from? 1. 2.5.
Lagi ya, dituduhkan lagi.
What's his name?
What's
What's his name?
What's his name?
Where's he from?
Where's she from?
Where's he
Where is
from?
he from?
Where's he from?
Where is he from?
Bukan where is, tapi kan ini where-nya sudah
Where's?
bukan
Where's?
He from?
Where's?
Where's?
Where's
Ini satu.
where's
Where's he from?
where's
Where's he from? Kayak she.
where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's
her
he
name?
from?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Where's she from?
2.6.
Where's she from?
Where's he from?
Where is he from?
Ya.
Where is
Okay,
he
next,
from?
grammar spot. Where's itu kependekan dari where is. Sekarang
Where is.
number 2. Complete the question with is or are. Number 1, where she from? Is or are.
Where is?
Where is she from? Nah, bawahnya where he is or
Is.
are.
Where is
Where
is
he from? Next, where You
Where
Are
you?
Where are you?
Banget kalau ini semua udah bisa. Ask and answer question about the people in the photos on the map. Nah, kalian bisa nunjuk nggak? Nama sama angkanya aja, sebutkan angkanya. Sebentar. Saya tanya dulu. Ayu Lestari. Ayu?
Yes, sir.
Look at picture number 5. What's her name?
Her name is Paula.
Where's she from?
She's from Brazil.
Ya, gitu ya. Sekarang Ayu nanya Febri. Silahkan pilih nomor 1 to 8. Ayu ke
Febri.
Febri ya.
Febri, look at the number 4. Where is he from?
Nah, namanya dulu. Tanya nama dulu. What's his name?
What's his name?
What's his name?
His name there.
Where's he from?
He's from Canada.
Oke, Febri ke Neni. Neni. Febri ke Neni.
Neni. Yes. Look at picture number 8. 8. Okay. Apa nomor 8?
Ini nomor berapa? What's his name?
What's his name? His name's Oliver. Where's he from? He's from Australia.
Where's he from? Ya, good. Neni to Ira. Neni to Ira.
Ira, please look at the number 6.
Bantu tribul dipakai juga. 6. Boleh.
Iranya mana?
Ira?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. What's his name?
His name's Aman.
Where he's from?
He's from Egypt.
Yeah. He's from Egypt. Bukan
Egypt.
Kalau
he's from Egypt.
Jadi Egypt padahal Egypt.
Egypt.
Sama tadi nanyanya masih what's his name masih. What his name masih gitu. What's his name? Yang betul yang turun. What's his name? Where's he from? Nah, gitu ya.
Yang turun apa yang naik?
Yang turun kalau diawali dengan kata tanya belakangnya kan turun. Where's he from? From-nya turun. What's his name?
Oh.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Dilatih-latih lagi ya. Oke, we go on to exercise 2. Listen, sudah tadi. Exercise 3 sudah. Go on to the next page. Practice ini ya. Cities and countries. Where are the cities? Ask and answer. Oke, saya kasih contoh dulu, nanti terus kalian tanya teman kalian. Riyah Alfiatul Karyah. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is Venice? Apa Sob? Oh sorry, ada di contohnya.
Sorry.
Where's Venice? Jawabnya? Ria.
It's in Italy.
Where's Moscow? Ria.
It's in Russia. Russia.
Russia. Sekarang Ria tanya Arnold. Ria tanya Arnold.
Where's Arnold? Where's Phoenix? Phoenix.
Kok hilang? Arnold, do you hear me?
Ada ya.
Arnold?
It's in Italy. It's Italy.
Kok Venice lagi? Yang Moskow, yang lainnya Venice sama Moskow sudah. Yang lainnya Ria.
Oh.
Selain Venice sama Moskow.
Oh, ambil yang di atas ini ya.
Ya. New York.
Where's Istanbul?
Arnold, answer.
It's in Turkey.
Ya.
It's in Turkey.
Good. Arnold nanya Darius. Arnold ke Darius.
Where is Sydney?
It is Australia.
It's in
Australia.
ya, yang lengkap. It's in Australia.
It's in Australia.
Ya. Satu lagi, biasanya orang berbahasa Inggris itu kalau ada dua kata yang jejer gitu, yang kata kedua itu berawal dengan vokal, kata pertama berakhir dengan konsonan, itu biasanya, saya ulangi, kata pertama berakhir dengan konsonan, terus kata berikutnya diawali dengan vokal, biasanya itu tuh digandeng. Seperti ini, it's in, bukan gitu tapi it's in. Nah gitu. It's in Italy. It's in Russia. Bukan it's in Italy tapi it's in Italy gitu. It's in Italy. Jadi antara huruf terakhir yang berupa konsonan dengan huruf berikutnya yang berupa huruf pada kata berikutnya yang berupa vokal itu digandeng. It's in Italy biasanya gitu. Kalau kalian biasakan gitu dan cepet toh biasanya nanti kan kelihatan bagus. It's in Italy, bukan it's in Italy, bukan itu kelamaan dan kurang natural. It's in Italy, gitu ya. Oke, Darius nanya Dita. Darius ke Dita.
Oke, Dita. Where's Rio de Janeiro?
It's in Brazil.
It's in Brazil.
It's in Brazil.
Oke, good. Satu lagi yang belum Paris sama Beijing. Dita ke Badria. Dita ke Badria.
Yeah. Where's Paris?
It's in France.
Ya, it's in France.
France.
Paris itu juga kalau bahasa Inggris bahasanya Paris.
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 Malah Paris itu kayak yang di sawah itu ya. Tapi kalau bahasa Inggris Paris. Satu lagi yang belum di Beijing, Dita ke Handi.
Where is Beijing?
It's in China.
Ya, bukan Dita, bukan where's Beijing, jangan naik itu. Where's Beijing? Nah kan gitu turun ya. Kita diulangi.
Where's Beijing?
Nah,
It's in China.
where's okay, good. Next, listen and check. Saya putarkan audionya. Tadi betul semua nggak jawabannya?
Cities and countries. Where's Venice?
It's in Italy.
It's in Italy.
Where's New York?
It's in the US.
It's in
Where's
US.
Moscow?
It's in Russia.
Where's Paris?
It's in France.
Where's Beijing?
It's in China.
Where's Sydney?
It's in Australia.
Where's Rio de Janeiro?
It's in Brazil.
It's in Brazil.
Oke, sekarang ditirukan ya. Pertanyaan, kemudian jawabannya.
2.4. Where's she from? 1. 2.5.
What's his name?
2.6. Cities and countries. Where's Venice?
Where's
Where's Venice?
It's in Italy.
It's in Italy.
It's in
It's in
Italy.
Italy.
It's in Italy.
It's in Italy.
It's in Italy.
2.6. Cities and countries. Where's Venice?
It's
Where's Venice?
Where's Venice?
Where's
Venice.
It's in Italy.
Italy.
It's in Italy. It is.
Where's New York?
Where's New York?
It's in
It's in the US.
It's in the
It's in the US.
Yes.
It's in the US.
Where's Moscow?
Where's
Moscow?
It's in Russia.
It's
in Russia.
in Russia.
Russia.
Where's Paris?
Where's
Where's
Paris?
Paris?
It's in
Where's
France.
Paris?
It's
in
It's in France.
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 Where's Beijing?
Where's Beijing?
It's in China.
It's in China.
China.
Where's Sydney?
Where's
In Australia.
It's in
It's in Australia.
Where's Rio de Janeiro?
Where's
Rio de Janeiro.
It's in Brazil.
It's
in
Brazil.
Where's Istanbul?
Where's Istanbul?
It's in Turkey.
Questions?
It's in
It's
Turkey.
in
Turkey.
Turkey.
It's in Turkey.
Okay. Next, that work with the partners. Look at the speech. Kalau ini, nah ini jawabannya ada di halaman 141 ya, di belakang sana jauh. Kalian bawa ini enggak? Kalian bisa buka ini file ini yang sudah kalian download. Kalian buka halaman 141, 141 bisa ya?
Halaman berapa, Pak?
141, 151. Sorry, 141. Jawabannya ada di situ. Namanya, terus asalnya. Oke, sudah? Coba saya tanya. Look at the photos in this page. Nah, starting from number 1 sudah. Number 1. What's her name? Siapa ini? Jawabnya. Number 1, ada yang sudah bisa?
Steps. Her name Step.
Number 1.
Her name Step.
Her name Step.
Step.
Step. Steve. Steve.
Steve.
Ini. Ini Step.
Her name Steve.
Stephanie. Ini lengkapnya biasanya Stephanie, panggilannya Step.
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 Her name Step.
She's from, where is she from?
She's
She's from New
New
York.
She's from New York. Okay, next, number 2. What's his name?
His name's Eric.
Eriko.
Eriko. Where's he from?
He's from
He's
Rio.
from Rio de Janeiro.
He's from ya, bisa. Ya, oke, masih ada nomor 3, 4, 5, 6.
Limanya enggak ada.
Lena.
Oh, ini bikin pertanyaan nomor 5, 6. Oke, kita isi dulu nomor 2 sudah, nomor 3. Kalian tanya, coba kalian tanya terus teman kalian yang lainnya jawab. Saya yang nulis. Pertanyaannya apa tadi? What's
her name?
What's her name? What's her name?
Jawab.
What's her
Her
name?
name?
Her name's
Her name's Olena.
Name's Olena.
Olena.
Is from
Dari mana ini asalnya? Pertanyaannya?
Where's he from?
Where's she from?
Where's she from?
She's from
Paris.
She's from
Paris. Paris.
number 4 sekarang.
What's his name?
What's his
What's
name?
his name?
What's his name?
His name's Ramses.
His name's Ramses. Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Ramses ini.
He's from Cairo.
Ram, Pak.
Oh, Ramses.
Ramses.
Ramses. Next, where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's he from? He's from
Cairo.
He's from
Where's he from?
He's from
Cairo. He's from Cairo.
Where's he from?
Ya, oke. Sekarang dicoba make a dialogue starting from number 1 ya.
What's her name?
Noni
What's her name?
yang tanya, Mai yang jawab. Nur Wahyu Mai jawab. Noni tanya ke Mai, number 1.
What's her name?
What's her name? Nggak pakai S ya name-nya.
Her name's Step. Her name's Step.
Ya. Mai, diulangi. Her name's
Step.
Oke, Step. TH itu dibaca F ya. Kayak PHOTO bacanya kan foto. Kalau ini bacanya Step. Ya, lengkapnya Stephanie. Stephanie biasanya Steph itu namanya lengkapnya Stephanie, panggilannya Steph. Stephanie. Next, masih Noni yang kedua. Yang kedua.
Where's he from?
Where's she from? From-nya turun.
Where's he from?
Nah, Mei
She's
jawab.
from New York.
Ya, sekarang Mei nanya ke Sulis. Mei nanya ke Sulis Pratiwi. Number 2.
What's his name?
What's his name? Turunnya.
What's his name?
Ya. Dijawab Sulis. Sulis. Kok ulang Sulis? Sulis, do you hear me? Ya. Nanya ke Nurdin aja, Nurdin. Diulangi, Mei.
What his name?
What's his name? Bukan what his name, bukan gitu.
What's his name?
What's
Kayak
his
bukan
name?
bertanya gitu loh. Ah, gitu malah enak, malah bagus.
What's his name?
Oke, Nurdin jawab.
His name's Eriko.
Good. Lagi, Mei.
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Atau gini, he-nya dinaikkan baru kemudian turun, itu lebih mudah. Where's he from?
Where's he?
Where's he from?
He's from Rio de Janeiro.
Ya, oke. Nurdin nanya ke Sulis, do you hear me? Belum. Oke, Umi.
What's her name?
Nurdin nanya ke Umi.
What's her name?
Umi, dijawab.
Her name's Olena.
Ya.
Where she's from?
She's from Paris.
Ya.
She's from Paris.
Paris. P-nya.
Paris.
Where's he from?
Sekarang Yuvina. Siapa tadi? Nurdin tadi nanya ke siapa tadi? Umi ya. Umi ke Yuvina.
What's his name?
His name Ramses.
Where's he from?
Where's he
He's from Cairo.
Ya, Cairo. Cairo itu 3 sukata. Cairo.
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 Cairo. He's from Cairo.
Cairo. Where's he
Oke,
from?
next. Sekarang yang ini sekarang sama kayak tadi sih, cuma sudah ada jawabannya. Lagi ya, number 5 dulu. Ira ke Arnold. Ira yang tanya, bikin pertanyaan, Arnold yang jawab, tinggal baca saja. Ira.
What's his name?
Good. Arnold jawab.
His name Fabio.
Good.
His name's Fabio.
Ya, Ira lagi.
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
Where's he from?
He's from Venice.
Ya, Venice.
He's from Venice.
Venice. Venice yang ditekan. Venice bukan. Venice bukan itu. Venice.
He's from Venice.
Arnold ke Erwinda. Arnold nanya Erwinda number 6.
What's your name?
Her name's Mia.
Where's she from?
She's from Sydney.
Ya, good. Erwinda ke Adip.
Adip.
Ya, Erwinda
Hello,
nanya
Adip.
number 7.
What's his name? What's his name?
His name's Slava.
Where's he from?
He's from Moscow.
Where's he from? Oke, Adip nanya ke saya. Number 8.
What's her name?
Her name's Suyin.
Where's she from?
She's from Beijing. She's from. Ya. Oke, sekarang reading and vocabulary. Ya, saya putarkan, silahkan dibaca dalam hati. Saya putarkan audionya.
(2.6) Cities and countries. Where's Venice?
It's in Italy.
2.7 Questions and answers.
Hello, I'm Blanca. What's your
2.8 Where are you from? 1. 2.9 2.10 A holiday in New York.
This is a photo of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They're on holiday in New York City. Holly is from Canada and Claude is from France. They're married. Holly is an architect. Her office is in the center of Montreal. Claude is a doctor. His hospital is in the center of Montreal too.
1.
Ya, ini kayak pembacanya nih agak susah nyebutin nama. Karena nama Kanada itu lebih ke Perancis ya. Nama-nama orang Kanada itu hampir sama kayak nama-nama orang Perancis. Agak susah. Oh, tadi awalnya dia kayaknya kesulitan menyebutkan nama.
2.9 1. 2.10 A holiday in New York.
Saya ulang.
This is a photo of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They're on holiday in New York City. Holly is from Canada and Claude is from France. They're married. Holly is an architect. Her office is in the center of Montreal. Claude is a doctor. His hospital is in the center of Montreal too.
Oke, next kita kerjakan exercise 2. Complete the sentences. Holly is from Montreal. Holly is from Montreal. Terus she's an apa?
Doctor.
Architect.
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 She's an architect. Number 3.
Her office.
Office
is in the
center of Montreal.
Next, number 4. Claude is
Is
from
French.
France.
Is a
a doctor.
Doctor.
He is a doctor.
next number 6. His
His hospital is in the center of Montreal.
Montreal.
Central of Montreal.
Montreal.
They are on
They are on holiday in New York.
holiday in New York. They
They are
Married.
are
They are married.
Okay, next. Complete the questions about Claude and Holly as an answer with a partner. Oke, kita ke exercise 3. Complete the questions about Claude and Holly as an answer with a partner. Kita lengkapi dulu ini pertanyaannya. What's apa?
What's his name?
His name boleh.
His name. What's
What's his
Her
name?
name
What's
juga.
his
Ya.
name?
Where-nya?
Where's he from?
Where she from? Where she from? Terus
Where
is the office?
kalau ini yang cewek ini. Where's her office? Bawahnya yang cowok.
Where's her office?
Ya, bawahnya.
Where's
Where's
her
Gitu ya.
hospital?
Kalau yang sama from itu untuk yang cowok sama cewek semuanya. Tapi kalau yang ini where, kalau office berarti yang cewek, kalau itu berarti yang cowok.
Where's
Tinggal
his
sekarang, Mbak. Sebentar, kita coba lagi. Erwinda ke Febrianti. Erwinda nanya Febrianti.
Pertanyaan nomor 3 itu ya Pak ya?
Enggak, 1, 2, 3 atau 4. 3 kali ya. 1, 2, terus 3 atau 4. Jadi kalau yang kamu tanyain yang cewek, ya berarti oke. Kalau yang cowok, 1, 2, dan 3 atau 4 gitu ya. Terserah.
Itu cewek ya?
Erwinda
What's
nanya
her name?
Febrianti ya. Febri,
What's her name?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Her name's Holly.
Where's she from?
Febri, do you hear?
Iya Pak,
Ya.
hadir.
Dijawab. What's her name?
What's her name? Her name is Holly.
Her name's Holly. Lagi, Febri.
Her name is
Kok
Holly.
sorry. Tadi yang tanya tadi.
Where's she from?
Erwinda tanya lagi yang kedua. Where's she from?
Where's she
Ya.
from?
Febri dijawab.
She's from apa itu nih?
Nah, tadi
France.
yang Cloud,
Yang siapa Pak? Yang cewek.
yang cewek.
Holly.
Cewek sih Cloud ya.
France. France.
Ceweknya itu Cloud.
Holly. Pak.
Holly yang ceweknya.
Holly from Canada.
Ya, Holly. Tadi
Where's she from?
where's she from? She's from Canada.
From Canada.
Ya, Kanada.
Where's she office?
Where's
where's her
her
office?
office? Where's her office?
Where's her office? Her office is in the center of Montreal.
Ya. Good. Sekarang Febri nanya ke Neni. Ya, karena yang cowok yang ditanyakan.
Ya.
Ya, ke Neni yang cowok yang ditanyakan.
What his name?
His name.
His name Cloudy. Yeah, Cloud.
Cloud. Ya. His name is Cloud. Terus?
Where's he from?
He's from New York.
He. Where?
France.
Where's he from? France. Oh,
France.
bukan. Yeah, France. He's from France.
Satu lagi yang hospital.
Where's his office?
Huh?
Yang hospital.
Yang hospital.
Oh, hospital.
His hospital. Kan dia dokter.
Yeah. Where's his hospital?
His hospital is in the center of Montreal. Montreal.
Center Montreal.
Montreal.
Ini sudah jam 8.51, saya absen dulu.